So you wanted to get started with the Windows 11 LTSC without an actual USB. So let's say that you want the cleanest version of the Windows 11, but you don't have a spare thumb drive lying around. So there's an actual great way and correct way to do this. So which is going to be really important is that you first need the ISO. You can download the 90-day evaluation of the LOT Enterprise directly from the Microsoft to get the full version of your volume license portal. For this, you want to type the Windows 11 LTSC, and this will be popping up this new section where you can select the Windows LOT Enterprise downloadable section. So by default, you have two of them, the evaluation of this one or the evaluation of this one. So both are from the United States, but let's say, for example, that I focus here, which are the prerequisites here. For example, here's the installation guidelines, the things you might want to know about this, and the verification of the file elements. So and to the upper side, I select the edition I would like to get started with. This will be downloading the actual ISO, which would be appearing directly inside here. Now, you wanted to make sure you get the 2024 or 2025 release. It's built on the 24H2 code base, which has some better hardware support for the 2026 processors. So once you have now saved the file, you don't put this into your C drive. If you plan to wipe the whole drive, you want to put this into a secondary partition if you already have one. So partitions are the ones that appears directly inside here, which usually appears into the actual PC. In this case, here is my actual another partition that I have just created, right? So generate this directly from the disk utilities. Now, the virtual drive method, you can right click directly into the ISO that you have downloaded that appears directly inside here and hit for the option that says mount. So this tricks your PC into thinking there is a DVD inside. You can open the virtual drive and run setup.x, which is the Windows installer, allowing you into the in-place transition to the Enterprise LTSC. Now, I must tell you that it's going to be really important that if you wanted to install this element here, you won't be able to uninstall this. In addition, after the installation, you will be required that you will need to reinstall all your programs and the data. With that being said, you can now continue to the next element, which is the local partition pro method. If you want truly clean install element, I'm going to go for installation. I'm going to show you just a quick example of actually what happens when you want to install the Windows 11 LTSC, like how it actually looks. So basically here, when you select now the language settings, you want to truly clean install, create a tiny 8 GB partition into your drive. You want to mount the ISO, copy every file inside, and paste them into the new 8 GB partition. So you wanted to hit for the advanced startup, where your PC reboots, and you choose the command prompt, where you can now find the 8 GB drive inside the setup.x. Now, you are installing from your own hard drive. It has faster than the USB 2.0 sticks. Now, speaking about the actual product key, you choose the option that says I don't have a product key. This will be telling you that you wanted to select the actual ISO, which is the Enterprise LTSC. That's the element that we have downloaded so far. And then it will be telling you to select the location to install the actual Windows 11. In this case, the actual partition that we had just generated, not the one that is directly inside them. So really important to take that in mind. So you select the hard drive to install the operating system, and that's the part where we can bypass the requirements. If your PC is older, you can press the Shift F10 to check out if you wanted to skip the internet requirements. If you're okay with this, it just focus for it ready to install and hit for the option that says install. So then it will be asking you for the actual region. You hit for the right keyword element, the setting up correctly for schools, your new username, your passcode, and all of this will be now getting started really fast. Now once it is finished, you will have the latest version of the Windows 11 possible. No Microsoft Store, no edge and bloat, just performance. So if you miss the Microsoft Store, you can watch more videos about how to add Windows Store into the LTSC element. But in this case, this is how like a really easily element how we can actually get started with the installation of the LTSC without having to install an actual USB. basically just by adding an actual new partition within your hard drive. So with this being said, guys, we have reached the very end of the video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and hopefully guys, with all of this being said, we can all see you well next time.